So today I've been out here making roasting sticks, trying out the hot cutoff that I had made. Trying this out. I'm trying the new way of making roasting sticks. Flatten the end out and splitting them, and then making the forks. Doing a little decorative on the other end of it. But I thought I'd make a video on making these roasting sticks and show off the hot cutoff that I made. This is what the roasting sticks look like. Now you can roast your hot dogs on it, or whatever else. Don't have to be hot dogs, but I think hot dogs is something universal for everybody. They've took their positions. They know I'm doing something. They're ready to go again. I'm making these out of 3/8 round stock. I'm going to use that, flatten it out, use that, and I'm going to split the end for the forks. Now I've got that flattened out. We'll heat it back up and I'm going to start splitting it. When I first started making these, I would just bend the end around and then I would flatten it and forge weld it together, then cut the end and hammer out the forks. But I got thinking there's got to be an easier way to do that. And when I made that, I decided I'd try it. See if it would be easier. Now I have to keep doing that over and over and over till I get it split all the way. I'll dip this in water to keep it from getting hot. Now, so far, I have not done any edge damage to that cutoff yet. So I know next time I want to make a cutoff tool, I can use that axle. Now, got that split all the way where I want it. I'm going to make some convenient bends. Now, why is that called a convenient bend? Yeah, because it makes it convenient to work your metal. And I'm going to start drawing out the forks. Now, I don't need this no more. And switch it to my smaller hammer. I'm going to start rounding it off. I'm going to heat it back up, and I'm going to hit it with the brush. There's one for it. Now bend it out of the way to bend the other one. Yeah, see? Another convenient bend. Now I can start working that one. And I'll do it the same way as I did the other side. Now when I get done making all these roasting sticks, I'm going to start back on making knives. That's what I do. Edged knives is what I specialize in. What that brush does is it removes the scales, and it also kind of smooths the surface out. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get that back in the fire, start heating it back up, get them forks bent right around where they need to be. Make that a little easier, I'm going to put it in this jig. We'll heat it up one more time. Run that brush across it again. So there's the forks. I'll heat them back up in the water, and then or heat them back up in the fire and quench them in the water. Now I'm going to start working on this end. Now I'm going to start running the taper out on this end. Hang it over a little bit. Start rounding it off. Then hammer it back to me. There it is. Well, I can't do nothing with the left hand. Now, we'll bend that around. Too much. Now I'm going to heat it back up and I'm going to start flattening it out right here. That way, whenever I do the twist, you can see the twist. There it is. So that's how I'm starting to make my roasting sticks now. I've been doing been doing more and more blacksmithing here lately, and I think that, well, I'm fixing to start back on bladesmithing. Bladesmithing's what more of my specialty. It's what I specialize in, and it's time to get back to making them blades.